Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best freestanding punching bags on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Dripex Freestanding Punching Bag. With a height of 175 centimeters and a weight ranging between 137 and 182 pounds, the freestanding punching bag from Dripex can withstand hard kicks and punches without toppling over. The bag features a stainless steel tube covered with fabric buffers, EPE foam, and 2 mm thick PU leather. The round base of the punching bag includes 12 suction cups that help keep the bag in place when you're throwing those heavy punches. For additional stability, you can fill the base with either sand or water. This freestanding heavy punching bag also includes dual PCV shock absorbers and 4 springs that help reduce noise and vibrations during workouts. Pros: made with durable materials. Adjustable and removable base. Easy to install. Multi-layer construction. Tear-resistant. Suitable for both home and gym floors. 360 degrees shock absorption. Cons: suction cups may not be great. Number 2. Second best pick is Protocol Punching Bag with Stand. All-in-one punching bag with stand. Set includes inflatable punching ball, inflatable pump, deluxe padded boxing gloves with reclosable straps to protect your hands, a sturdy base, and an adjustable stand from 48-inch to 58 high. Sets up in basements, garages, or spare rooms. Perfect for a socially distant home gym for your boxing workout. The inflatable punching ball withstands moderate use, enhancing your reflexes and agility during a controlled workout. This set is great for adult beginners and kids. Build strength, tone your shoulders and arms, and aerobically work your entire body. For moderately skilled to advanced boxers, we recommend this heavy-duty premium set. Easy setup. Includes easy-to-follow instructions for the base of the stand, which fills with sand or water to set firmly in place. Tighten the inflatable punching ball at the top and the base at the bottom, carefully inflate your punching ball, and go. Gifts and sporting goods for all that are well-designed, crafted, and capable. The combination of real-world practicality and a dose of fun for all ages. Number 3. Third best pick is Xsport Pro Freestanding Punching Bag. The punching bag from Xsport Pro stands 177 centimeters tall and weighs between 152 and 203 pounds. The bag features a stainless steel stand enclosed in layers of 2 mm thick PU leather cover, EPE foam, and a strike buffer. It also comes with a 5 mm thick ABS base, which you can fill with sand or water for stability on flat surfaces. At the bottom of the base are 12 strong suction cups that provide maximum stability. The bag further features dual TPU dispersers and 4 thick springs, which reduce noise and shock on contact. Pros: easy to set up. Durable and sturdy. Suitable for beginners of all ages. Easy to move around. 360 degrees shock absorption. Flexible rebound. Cons: leather may wrinkle. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Kitopa Freestanding Punching Bag. Kitopa Freestanding Heavy Punching Bag is suitable for kickboxing, Muay Thai, and other workouts. The bag features a multi-layer construction consisting of a stainless steel tube, eco-friendly fabric buffer, high-density EPE foam, and a 2 mm PU leather cover. The bag's base, filled with sand or water and used with suction cups, can withstand an onslaught of kicks and punches without falling over. This punching bag also has dual PVC shock absorbers and springs attached to the buffering plate on top of the base. Pros: minimizes shock and noise. Made with hand-sewn, high-quality materials. Good resistant padding with a fast rebound effect. Easy to install and move. Suitable for beginners. Cons: suction cups may not offer much stability. Number 5. Fifth best pick is FITVEN Freestanding Punching Bag. If you're looking for a piece of workout equipment that suits all your needs, FITVEN's 215 pounds freestanding punching bag is right for you. This punching bag, made with a stainless steel tube, fabric cushion, high-density EPE foam, and 2mm PU leather, endures the heaviest of punches and kicks. In addition, this 177 cm tall bag is attached to a 3-layer conical structure, which reduces noise and vibrations. The base of the bag is also designed to ensure the bag doesn't fall over during your workouts. Pros: easy to assemble, easy to clean and maintain, strong suction cups, space-saving design, comes with gloves, fast rebound, tear resistant. Cons: punching surface may be small, so grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.